In this exercise, we are going to edit features on a part. So you will go and open your Lab 8 rim. You can download this part off of WebCT. Once the part's open, take a look at it. It's a 17-inch performance style rim for a car. And the thing that everybody likes to have that's slightly different, or what makes their rims different, is the pattern features of the spokes. So we're going to edit our spoke. So if you look over here on the feature tree, this circular pattern defines how many spokes there are. If we edit that feature, we can jog the number of spokes up or down. So if we go from 5 down to 4, we have a rim that looks slightly different. I'm going to go back in, and again, that's edit feature, and adjust that back up to 5. The other sketch tool that we have that we used in this part is a spline. If I go up to extrude 3, that's my individual spoke, and select edit sketch. If I zoom in here, you can see these curves. These are called splines that make up portions of the spoke. And I can drag that curve around. So if I wanted to edit this slightly, I can do that and go back out, and now our spoke looks slightly different. I think I like the first one more. If curves aren't your thing, we can go in here and delete out our entire sketch and start something new. To do that, we would convert the hub and the inner edge of the rim, and this time I'll create something that's more symmetric and angular than what we had before. So I'll put in those 2 lines. I'll select my trim tool, trim out the portions I don't need. For this, I do need to add some relations. I'll set this line and this line equal to each other. That'll help enforce my symmetry. Now if I go and I drag one around, pretty much similar between the two. That was an error there because it was trying to make something else coincident. The last thing I would need to do to fully define this is put in angular dimensions. So I'll make that one 10 degrees and this one 10 degrees. And I will define a length for these. Now if I adjust that length up and down, my spoke will get wider because that edge will get longer. So I want it to still be kind of narrow. And I'll check OK. So for sheet 3 of Lab 8, you're going to open up the generic file that I have in WebCT and modify the shape and number of spokes however you see fit, and print out a 3-view drawing of that, and that's sheet 3 for Lab 8.